Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 18.3 Beta 4. Okay, so first of all, I'm so sorry. I know I have been on off for a long time, and the fact that this is the first video this year, I know you guys are mad on me, but calm down. I'm coming up with some new videos and a lot of new things for this channel, so stay here. Don't just panic and DM me again and again, are you alive, bro, or things like that. Anyways, let's get back right in today's topic, which is iOS 18.3 Beta 4. Finally, it is here, and let's talk about it. What's new in this update? Is it worth updating to this software or not? Let's talk all about it. My name is Jay. You are watching Tech Hyped. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because I keep on making these type of videos for you guys and I don't want you guys to miss these. So the update came at about 500 MBs on my device. Actually, the update size varies from device to device. It came at 500 MBs on my iPhone 12, then around 780 MB on my 14. So it just varies from device to device, and the main thing is from which firmware you are coming from. So that is one of the biggest things that just come in play. The 14 Pro that I'm using, it came in a big update size because the reason is I have not been on a beta version for a long time, so that's the reason why it is so big. It might be smaller on your device. As I said, it is small update on my other devices. The thing is that, are we gonna see anything new here? Is Apple changing things, giving us new features, or still disappointing us like earlier? Well, don't worry about the features. We will slowly and steadily get those as well. But the main thing which is good here on iOS 18.3, which I'm really happy to talk about, is the battery life. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the battery life on the iOS 18.3 has been superb. It has been amazing, and obviously it is a bit too early for me to talk about right now the battery life as it just rolled out. But don't worry, I will be coming up with my review in which I will be talking about battery life in detail. But till now, the battery of iOS 18.3, from what I have heard from people and in general, have been amazing. And there is a pretty good feeling that I'm getting is that iOS 18.3 is gonna be really cool update for people who are experiencing battery drain on their devices. It will be much better now. Other things which is new in this update, or should I say resolved in this update, is we were having a lot of bugs in Apple Intelligence related to notification summaries and all on the iPhone 15 Pro and above. That is now finally fixed on the iOS 18.4 Beta 4. Oh, 18.3 beta 4. Then a lot of people were reporting that they were having like resprayings on their devices and their device would just shut down, and then when they would try to open their device up, it would just stuck on the Apple logo or the screen would glitch out and the phone would just not turn on for some time. So that is also finally resolved on the iOS 18.3 beta 4. I don't realize how many times I say iOS 18.3 beta 4, beta. I just hate this thing about me. I'm gonna change it soon, but do let me know if you do watch these videos till the end, how many times do I say it? Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped, and I am signing off. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.